Hello, fuck faces. Welcome back. This is I don't even know what I'm welcoming you back to, but you know. Welcome, bitch. Anyway. So basically, what the fuck am I doing? This is my tutorial on how to fix the fucking beeping thing. I am a retard. This is how you fix the beeping fucking thing that your alarm makes. Stupid fire alarm. Because who even cares about fire alarms, okay? Nobody even cares about them. Sure, maybe they save you from a couple fires, you know. Save your life a couple times. Besides that, they're fucking annoying. Okay? Alright. So I'm gonna take you to my beeping thing. I'm gonna close the door so nobody can hear me doing this stupid shit. Okay, you see that? I'll turn this around. See that thing? It's that fucking fuckface? It's gonna beep. Watch. See? Today, I'm gonna teach you how to stop that from happening. Because fuck that. Oh, I thought I saw a bug. That was scary. Alright, so basically what you want to do first is you want to get a ladder. Because your ass ain't tall enough, motherfucker, to reach up, get it. So, I mean, I'm going to turn this around. Basically, if you have a conveniently located garage in your house, you'll probably find a conveniently located ladder. Preferably a primary color. Anyway, I don't know if orange is a primary color, but I don't really give a shit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this fun in here. Oh god, where am I going to fucking put this thing? Oh. So I'm going to take this down. This is also a tutorial on how to take down a ladder from your beach chair. What the fuck? You do, you like, fuck this thing, and move it. You're like, fuck it. Look, this is your marriage. This is your marriage. You just want to look. You want to move every possible object out of the way. I want to take the ladder. Take the ladder. Oh, shit. Oh. Take the ladder. Jeez. Oh. Okay. Once you've got your ladder, you take it upstairs to where the thing is. Oh shit. Oh shit, my phone dropped. Oh fuck. This is so bad. You wanna put your ladder down? Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. God damn it. God fucking. Oh my god. Okay, got the ladder. Yeah, so basically, when you get to the next part of the video, what you want to do is you want to take your ladder, fucking stupid fucking fuckface ladder that's way too heavy for no reason. You know what? I'm not gonna hold the phone while I'm carrying this thing as to prevent any potential deathness of me. I'm gonna do some B-roll of me ladder up the. Alright. Some B-roll, very important. Very important. What you want to do is you want to take your ladder and take it out. Fuck. Preferably not. Drop it. You want to take it. You want to take it upstairs to where your thing is. Alright. See ya. What? What does it look like happened? Oh, the ladder fell. The ladder
ladder didn't fall. I put it there. Go ahead. This isn't going very well. The ladder got stuck. I'm also filming a tutorial. Say hello. Anyway, so the ladder got stuck on the stair. This is usually what. Oh, yeah. I think she has like anxiety or whatever.
Shut the fuck up next time, Ari. I thought you were dying or some shit.
Okay.
Shut the fuck up if you're dying too. That kind of wastes my time.
So yeah, it was a little bit of an issue, but you know, sometimes, you know, anything can be fixed by doing something stupid. I want to do some B-roll, you know, like me just taking this ladder up. You know what I'm saying? You know, very important stuff here. Very important. Hey. Oh no.
Okay, seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, I'm taking this ladder up.
Oh, you need help?
I'm fine. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah. Yeah, right on. Oh, we marked the wall. We scratched the wall. It's up here. Okay. We want to
What do you even need this for?
alright. Let's fix that then.
Consider that maybe this is too high.
Um,
Hey, Carson,
yeah.
I found a smaller ladder.
Okay, cool. Holy shit, this thing is actually...
I should not bring this up.
Holy shit, this thing is stuck here. This thing is stuck here.
Holy shit, okay.
Okay, you're gonna have to just put that down for now, because this thing is...
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Turn. Oh. Alright, here. Bring it forward. Keep pulling. The boat needs to keep going. Okay. Okay. Help. Okay. I can try.
That's probably not smart.
You can always try. You may not always win, but you can always try. That's not gonna reach. You have a thing in your hair. It's like right here. It's right there or something. It's still there. It's...
Oh,
Yeah,
How about you grab that?
I'm just gonna take it. Anyway, tutorial results in failure. Do not try and remove this at home. Instead, maybe you should just remove your entire ceiling instead, because you're never gonna reach it. You're gonna reach your goal. Never gonna reach your goal in life, so we might as well just give up in the beginning. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Fucking shit.
it worked.